In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your own drop-down box options on Google Docs. If you've ever found yourself needing a drop-down menu to simplify choices or streamline your document, you'll be pleased to know that it's quite a straightforward process. Let's dive right into it and get started. First, we need to access Google Docs. If you haven't already, go ahead and open Google Docs in your browser. Once you're there, you have two choices. You can either create a new document or open one that you've been working on. For our purposes today, it doesn't matter which you choose, but make sure it's a document where you'd like to insert your drop-down. Once you have your document open, the next step is to decide exactly where in your text you want this drop-down to be. Carefully click on the spot in your document that you've identified as the perfect location for the drop-down. Picking the right spot is crucial as it can affect the flow and usability of your document. This ability to add drop-downs adds a layer of interactivity and can make your document more dynamic and functional. Now that we've determined where to place the drop-down, we move on to actually inserting it. Look towards the top of your document where you'll find the menu bar. In this menu, the option labeled Insert is your next destination. Click on Insert to reveal more options. Among the list that appears, you'll spot an option titled Drop-Down. This is our key feature, so go ahead and select Drop-Down. Once you've clicked on it, you will see a sub-option that says New Drop-Down. Select this and you'll open a customizable dialog where you can add your own choices. This is where creativity and functionality meet. In the dialog box that appears, you can add the set of options that will form your drop-down menu. This feature is particularly useful for forms, surveys, or any document where you want the reader to choose from predefined options quickly and easily. Remember, while creating your drop-down menu, make sure to plan out the options logically to ensure it remains user-friendly. A well-organized drop-down can make your document significantly more efficient and polished. Plus, it's always a good idea to preview how it looks in the document to make adjustments as needed. There you have it. Now you know how to create your very own drop-down options in Google Docs. This small but mighty tool can improve how information is presented or collected in your documents. Thank you for tuning in today, and I hope you find this tutorial useful in making your document experience smoother and more interactive. Don't forget to like this video if it was helpful and subscribe for more tips and tricks. See you next time.